Tired. I need a little boost. So I had about 4 ripe bananas. So I figured, you know what, let me make some banana bread so that these bananas can go to use. I will link the recipe down below, but I'm about to put these in the oven. So it says it's supposed to go in for 40 minutes. So while my banana bread bakes, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my brushes because I have so many dirty brushes. These are just my face brushes, and then I have to do my eye brushes and then my sponges. Basically, I use the Sigma matte, and it has different sides. This is for the face, this is for the eyes, and it just helps you kind of rinse out the soap. This is the soap that I use. It's just Johnson baby soap. So I kind of just rinse them out and then let them dry overnight. Banana bread is all done. We're gonna go ahead and taste it. I'm just gonna put a fork in it, babe. Do you want a slice?
Yeah, just a little bit.
I think it's a little too. It's too moist. I have to put it back in the oven. Smells delicious. It's still super. What the heck is wrong? So it said it's supposed to be ready when you put a toothpick in and it comes out dry. So in this case, it's dry. There's nothing in it, but it's still a little bit like mushy over here. So I'm just gonna let it cool for maybe like 30 minutes and then see if it's good. Worst things worst, babe. It's banana pudding.
It's definitely cooked, baby.
Instead of banana bread. So I filmed this makeup tutorial today. So I haven't had this much makeup on my skin in so long. Kind of do a little bit of nighttime tender love and care for my skin. First battle is taking off all of this makeup. Whenever I need like deep cleansing, I always like to use my Vanity Planet spin brush because I feel like it just helps dig deep into my skin. I put my CeraVe cleanser on it and then I go in. I like to focus on the areas that are really congested, like my chin area. Just take it, Lord. Take it, God. Take all of this away, Jesus. Look at this, you all. Dirt. I'm gonna use my Summer Fridays mask. I'm just gonna kind of massage it into the skin. And this makes my skin feel like straight up baby skin after I rinse it off. I'm gonna leave it on here for like 10 minutes. So now that I washed all that off, I'm going in with my Sephora Glow Peel pads, and these little pads kind of are just like an exfoliating pad, so it's kind of gonna pick up any dead skin that the mask didn't really pick up. I just love the way these leave my skin feeling. I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Dramatically Different lotion. I'm gonna apply that all over the skin. Now I'm going in with my Drunk Elephant Night Serum, and I love applying this. I'm gonna put this all over my skin, and I'm just gonna spritz my skin. I just sprayed it with this Mario Badescu facial spray. This is their cucumber and green tea. So skincare is all done. up guys? Good morning. So today I woke up extremely early to go grocery shopping and to go get some essentials. With everything that's going on lately, you have to go to the grocery store super duper early. So I woke up like around 7:45 and I was at Target by 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Target. I really needed paper towels and they only had the 2-pack and they only let 1 per household, so I was only able to get 2, but I think that should be enough. I got makeup wipes for when I film videos. I don't use these makeup wipes for my face, it's just like when I film. I got this pajama set. It looks like this. It's super cute. It's a tank top and then shorts. You know, that's like the last thing I need to be buying, but I really don't have a lot of pajamas. Then I got some flour because I ran out of flour, and then I couldn't find Clorox wipes, so I had to get the Giant brand disinfectant wipes. It's still like antibacterial, so it should work. Alright, so now for the fun part, I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of disinfect everything as I go, just because that's what's been recommended. I didn't bulk buy, but I definitely bought a lot of food because I want it to last for 2 weeks. So I just kind of want to buy like enough for 2 weeks, so I minimize my trips to the grocery store. So I got my favorite tortilla corn chips. These are so good. They're kind of like Takis but a lot healthier. I got everything bagels. I got some sourdough bread, cilantro just for cooking and garnishing. I got some vegan banana bread. This banana bread is so bomb, you guys. Some tomato paste because I tried making spaghetti this week, but I didn't have tomato paste, so I'm gonna try again. And then I got Eric his favorite juice. This is the strawberry lemonade juice. Then I got some spring mix. I also got spinach for smoothies. I got these sweet corn tamales, and I'm excited to try these because I've never tried them before. I got cucumbers. I got some broccoli florets. I got these bibimbap bowls. These are the bowls that Eric likes to take for lunch, so I always buy a couple of these for him for the week. I got some carne asada. This is so bomb. This is everything but the bagels seasoned smoked salmon, and this is so good to put like on top of bagels. It's delicious. Got the best orange chicken, you guys. I tried this the first time this past week and it was life changing. Literally tasted just like takeout. I got some frozen mac and cheeses. I also like using these for lunch when I'm like too busy to make myself lunch, or when Eric needs to take lunch. Got ground beef. I'm not sure what I'm going to be making yet, but I could use this for burgers. I can use this for either spaghetti, or I can even do like a chili. Then I got salmon because I think I want to do like a salmon potato dinner. I got bananas, this cornbread mix. I got this 3-cheese pizza, which I think we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Then I got cereal. This is a honey crunch and oat cereal. And then Eric usually likes sweet cereal, so I got him, it's this cocoa crunch cereal, so it's a little bit more on the sweet side. And then I got my Coda girl some treats. These are rawhide and chicken breast wraps. I'm sure she's gonna love these. I got some avocados. I got some frozen fruits to make smoothies, which I actually really want one right now because I feel so tired. I got frozen blackberries, and then I got this frozen fancy berry medley that has frozen raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. I got this organic tropical fruit blend, which has strawberry, frozen banana, and all that. I got these Gone Bananas ice creams. They're basically, I don't think they're ice cream, but they're basically just bananas covered in chocolate, but they're frozen, so it's kind of like ice cream. I got Italian dry salami. I got some iceberg lettuce. I got turkey breast. I got some diced tomatoes. I got strawberries. I got some carrots, some limes. I got these oranges. These are my favorite oranges, guys. They're called Tangelos. And then I got some tomato basil marinara. So we're on to the last bag. I got some peppers. I got 2 onions. I got some fresh cut mango. Got some unsweet almond milk. I got a couple tomatoes, blackberries, Dutch yellow potatoes. Guys, I wanted to eat this the other day and I realized I didn't have any and I was so sad. So I had to grab some. I got cookie butter. It's really, really good. It is sweet. I got some raspberries. This is everything, guys. Now it's time to put it away. So before I work out, I'm gonna go ahead and make a smoothie because I am really tired. So I put some spinach, frozen banana, peanut butter, a little bit of honey, and I'm also gonna do almond milk. I'm gonna finish this carton up and then I'll put the rest like halfway. The peanut butter is a really great source of energy, so I'm really glad I put it in here because I'm tired. I need a little boost. I wanted to show you guys a few things that I purchased over the last week or so online because I feel like what else is there to do when you're stuck at home? So the first thing is from Amazon. I already disinfected all the packages, so ooh. So the first thing is this rabbit tail grass. I wanted to give it a try because it looks so affordable on Amazon that I was like, why don't I just buy it from there? Because on Etsy, they're so expensive. This is how it looks, but I'm guessing I kind of have to like, yeah, it's really cute. I know it's gonna take some time to kind of fluff up, but I'm gonna put this in my living room. I think it's called like bunny tail grass. This is workout bands that I got on Amazon because now that we're, you know, stuck at home, I want to be able to work out. So I got some workout bands. These are all black and they come in different strengths. This is extra heavy, and oh, they're all extra heavy. Wow. I thought they came in different strengths. It's all right. I guess we're gonna be working out extra heavy. Then I got some silicone straws because I have been doing a lot of iced coffee lately since the weather's getting nicer. It comes with like a little duster bag. And then these are all of the silicone straws in here. There's different colors. I'm obviously gonna wash them after I touch them before I use them. So it's all of these silicone straws, and then it comes with little cleaners so you can really get in there and clean them out. So the package that I'm probably most excited for is from Zara because I am in desperate need of jeans. The jeans that I currently have, they're just like really worn out. A pair of jeans. These are the flats that I got. They're just like a open back flat with a pointy heel. I feel like these are going to be great spring flats. This is how the jeans fit. They're actually a bit bigger than I anticipated them to be. Something like around this area just looks too big, but I think I can still style them in the meantime, maybe. Maybe with like a belt or something. I really like the ends. They're like a bit fringed down there. I wish they fit a little bit better. So this is how the bunny tails look. This is how they're supposed to look, just like this one. But for some reason, some of them are a little bit like aguados because I think the way that they were packaged kind of messed up with their shape. So I'm just gonna let them like freely dry out again like this. This is basically how they're supposed to look, a very like bunny tail like. So as you can see, some of these are like that, and then some of them just look, I don't know, like they missed out or something. So we're gonna just like let them dry up again, and hopefully they get its shape again, but I'll keep you guys updated on how this goes.